All right, for the next step, we're going to get Excel to generate all of our statistics for our water quality measures all at once very quickly. To do this, we're going to use that new add-in, that data analysis tool that we just installed. So go ahead and click on your data analysis button and scroll up or scroll down until you find descriptive statistics. That's the last one I use, so it's still highlighted. I'm going to click OK. And this brings up our descriptive statistics dialog box. In the input range, this is the values that you want to enter in, that you want the statistics to be run on. So you can click on this, the close dialog box button, and go in and highlight. You can highlight both your turbidity and your dissolved oxygen. Hold down the buttons and get both columns D and E. You can see it's got everything in column D through everything in column E. That's the data range. Make sure that you have the radio button for columns clicked. This is grouped by columns. We want check mark for labels in the first row. We want a radio button for a new worksheet. We want this to be on its own worksheet. I'm going to call this some stats. And make sure you're clicked here for summary statistics. Click OK. And there you go. Let me change the view a little bit so you can see this a little better. All right, there are my summary statistics. It shows mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, and you'll see that these are labeled by what we had called them, that header row of our initial data. So turbidity and DO are dissolved oxygen. Turbidity here in columns A and B are all of this summary statistics for turbidity, and C and D have summary statistics for dissolved oxygen. One quick note is that sometimes Excel gets gummed up when we highlight entire columns. So back here in data analysis, when I was selecting my data, I highlighted both D and E columns. If your Excel is slowing down or quitting unexpectedly, try just highlighting the data instead. So dragging your box over all of the data rather than the entire columns altogether. That might work for you. All right. Once you have your summary statistics, you want to clean up these titles a little bit, these labels, and there you have it. Summary statistics.